Hey kids, here we are, lesson 3, level 6. The choose your own adventures using the math.abs. That's the absolute value. So let's see what happens with sales data, or as I like to call it, sales data. So just looking at the code right now in the sales runner class, I have created an array of doubles which represents the amount of sales or the sale amounts. Got it. Some are negative, some are positive. And I've also created a new sales object called business, which takes that array of doubles above and uses it as its input. And this is where we're going to call sales data sales to string method with the 1D array return from calling the clean data method. So we're going to have to do something with a clean data method in the next tab. So let's go to the sales tab. So this is the public class for sales. There is an instance variable, which is an array of doubles, which is sales. So that is what is here. And then the constructor for a sales object takes a double array as a parameter. And then here is the get sales method, which simply returns that array. So we'll probably have to use that. And then this is my clean data. We need to traverse the sales array. So, and we're going to calculate the absolute value of each element and put it in a new 1D array and return the new 1D array. So that's the clean data. So we want to take all the sales and we only want to return the absolute values of those. So let me create a new array. So this is going to be a double array, and I will call this clean sales. And this is going to be a new double array whose length that should do the trick. There's my new array. And so what I want to do is I think I'm going to use an enhanced for loop here. I think I'll use an enhanced for loop. So for double for each sale in the sales array, I'm going to set the no, I can't do that because I need to go one element at a time. So I will not be able to do it that way. So I'm going to go int I equals 0 as long as I is less than the sales.length. And then I want to index the I one at a time. Yeah, I could not use the enhanced for loop because I had to do a calculation. So I want the clean sales element at that index to be equal to the math.abs of the sales element at that index. And I want to return the clean sales. So I think that's going to work. I think that's going to work for me. And then let's go into the sales runner class. Declare and initialize a 1D array that stores the array return from calling the clean data method. So I'm going to go a double array, and this will be my sales data. And this is going to come from the business dot clean data. And do I need to pass anything to that? Does the clean data takes no parameter, no input, so that's okay. And then I need to use the sales to string method. And so if I look over here at the toString method, that is a static method. So that's why I have to use sales. I need to refer to the class to use it. But I do need to pass to it those values in that array that I just created. So I'm going to go, oh, I forgot my semicolon there. So I'm going to go system.out.println, and then I'm going to sales to string my sales. And I think we're going to be good. Let's see what happens here. Now, of course, I'm sure I made some spelling errors. I'd be stunned if I made no spelling errors, and this ran perfectly the first time. See? Oh, is that a parenthesis? Do I need parenthesis or not? I don't think I need, maybe do I need parentheses? I always forget if I need parentheses there or not. So I'll try it without the parentheses and see what happens. There it is. There you go. So let's take a gander at the toString method for a second. So essentially what it does is it takes the results, right, and puts a $ at the front of the line, takes the amount, which is an absolute value, and then goes to a new line every time. The only one I do not like is this thing right here. And my guess is we're going to learn how to kind of deal with that. Like I want to be able to fix 2 decimal places after a decimal point, but we'll do that next. So there you go. There is the first Choose Your Own Adventure in level 6.